police over there called some pickpocketer and took him this side. All that is built with the flowers. I am at the last end, from last to 1.5 kilometer, 2 kilometer. Wow, wow, it's very nice. Like all these flowers, if they export, they'll make more money. But they display their strength. Or majority of the flowers goes to USA. Got a nice. It's nearly very long. It was still about 2 kilometers long. But I am at the one side end. These are all village people who grow these flowers. It will be too heavy. Someone's stool I'm standing. No one is asking. They sell like this plastic. They sell that plastic raincoat. Everywhere people will keep honoring them. When they stop, see that lot of them are kept over there. So it is worth I came. I was stuck over there somewhere inside. Okay, then finally I thought let me come this side. And here I get a nice view. Still lot of them are coming. These are all the original people who lived here. Here full smoke. Trying. it's raining. Thousands of people are going on that bridge from last half an hour. And there are thousands for this 2 kilometer long. But I am standing at this edge over here. I luckily got some stool. Someone's, I do not know whose is it. All the security will be because a lot of pickpocketing will happen. Those are mangoes. People eat a lot of mangoes here. I met a couple in a train who were coming here. They don't speak English, but I interacted them on Google Translate. They told, okay, I'll take you here. I shared the umbrella with them, and later I lost them somewhere there. See, there are a lot of them coming. So this is one big event in Medellin, one of the big events. The other people went away like that only. That's all with flowers. Everything is done with flowers. You can see hundreds of them. There will be more than some 600 or more, is what I read this time. Okay, I'll stop recording. This is what is a big flower show here, where approximately more than 60,000 people gather in the month of August. And they come about all the villages surrounding Medellin, where they grow a lot of flowers. Their business is flower growing. Okay, I'm going to stop right now. Abhinandan in Medellin on August 10th, 2025. On 13th, I'm leaving to Cali. And probably within 20th or 22nd of August 2025, I'll be leaving to Ecuador if everything goes well. Okay. So I'm going to stop right now. No one asked me about this tool. Okay, anyhow, there's still thousands of them are coming, hundreds of them. I'll get down and take a walk. So luckily someone's stool. And no one is asking, they pay money for it. Because they come from villages, people respect here. See, they sell like that. It's about 60 rupees or something. Still they are coming anyhow. I'm going to stop right now. I'll take a walk this side all the way.